In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up memberships or subscriptions in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your services into a recurring package your clients can subscribe to, whether that's a monthly membership, a weekly plan, or anything in between. Start by heading to your dashboard and opening My Practice, then select My Services. This is where all of your offerings live, and it's the best place to bundle things together into a membership. On this page, look toward the bottom right corner for the Fast Action button. Give that a click and choose Add Package. Packages are what Practice Better uses to group multiple services and benefits into a single offering, which is perfect for memberships and subscriptions. Next, give your package a clear, descriptive name and write a short description that sets expectations. Think about who this membership is for and what outcomes it supports. A good description helps clients understand the value before they even reach out. After naming it, add the services you want included. This can be a mix of sessions, consultations, and access to programs. You might include a set number of sessions per cycle, a monthly check-in, or ongoing access to educational content. Keep it aligned with the frequency and support you plan to provide, and make sure the combination is realistic for your schedule. Once the core details are in place, open the package settings and navigate to advanced options. From there, go to Fees and Taxes, then find the pricing model. Choose Ongoing Payments, which sets the package as a recurring subscription instead of a one-time fee. This is the key setting that turns your package into a membership. Click Setup to configure the payment details. Enter the recurring amount you want to charge and choose the schedule, like monthly or weekly. Consider how often clients receive sessions or resources and match the billing cadence to that rhythm. If your membership includes ongoing access without frequent appointments, a monthly schedule often feels straightforward for clients. Double-check the amount, confirm the schedule, and make sure any taxes or fees are reflected correctly. When everything looks right, save your changes. That's it. You've created a subscription-based package that clients can purchase on a recurring basis. Clear naming, a thoughtful mix of included services, and the correct pricing model are what make your membership easy to understand and easy to manage. When you're ready, you can present this package confidently, knowing the recurring billing is already set under the hood.